Today's topic is general equation to any central orbit. We know that the motion of a particle under central force is confined to a plane. It may thus be represented by plane polar coordinates of theta. We know that acceleration in plane polar coordinate F equal to F r plus F theta, radial acceleration plus cross radial acceleration, that is acceleration in plane polar coordinates, equal to r double dot minus r theta dot square r hat plus 2 r dot theta dot plus r theta double dot theta hat. So acceleration in plane polar coordinates F equal to Fr plus F theta. Fr means this part and F theta equal to this part, radial acceleration plus cross radial acceleration. Now the force, that means the central force, is radial, being always directed to the center or away from the center. Center means center of force. The radial acceleration Fr only exists and the cross radial acceleration F theta is 0. Therefore, cross radial component F theta equal to 2 r dot theta dot plus r theta double dot equal to, by some simplification, 1 by r d by dt r square theta dot equal to 0. This means r square theta dot equal to some constant equal to h, say, and this is relation 1. Now the radial acceleration Fr equal to r double dot minus r theta dot square equal to plus minus Fr by mu. Here the term mu equal to m1 m2 by m1 plus m2, reduced mass of the system, and this is relation 2. Here Fr is the magnitude of the force which is radial, and here negative sign corresponds to force directed to the origin and the positive sign away from it. Now we have to calculate r dot and r double dot. Now we have to calculate r dot. So r dot equal to, first we have to calculate r dot. R dot equal to d by dt of 1 by u. So what is u? U is the reciprocal coordinate and u equal to 1 by r. U reciprocal coordinate equal to 1 by r. So d by dt u minus 1 by u square du d theta theta dot, and that is equal to minus h du d theta, using relation 1. Now r double dot equal to minus h d square u d theta square equal to d square u d theta square theta dot equal to minus h square u square d square u d theta square, using relation 1. And this is relation 3. Now from equation 2, using the relation 3 and 1, we obtain minus h square u square d square u d theta square minus 1 by u a square by r to the power 4 equal to minus a square u square d square u d theta square minus a square u cube equal to plus minus f 1 by u by mu. Now taking minus a square u square common from left side. Now taking minus a square u square common from left side. D square u d theta square plus u equal to minus plus f 1 by u by mu a square u square. So this is the required equation. Now you can change d square u d theta square plus u equal to minus plus f 1 by u by a square u square. Where f 1 by u equal to f 1 by u by mu. This 1 by u is the acceleration of the particle. This f1 by u equal to f1 by u by mu. This f1 by u is the acceleration of the particle. And these two sets of equations are known as the general equation to any central orbit, or the equation of a particle moving in a central force field. So these are the two required general equation to any central orbit.